नमस्कार, वेलकम टू द प्रोग्राम डिस्कवर योरसेल्फ। दोस्तों, हमारी ज़िंदगी में बचपन एक बहुत ही हसीन लम्हा होता है जहाँ पे हम खूब सारी शरारतें करते हैं, दोस्तों और माँ बाप के साथ बहुत सारे हसीन पल बिताते हैं। लेकिन बचपन में ही कुछ घटनाओं की वजह से हमारी ज़िंदगी में हम कुछ फियर्स डेवलप कर सकते हैं और ये फियर्स हमारी आने वाली ज़िंदगी पे बहुत गहरा असर डाल सकते हैं। अगर हम इन फियर्स को नहीं दूर करें तो ये आगे बढ़कर हमारी ज़िंदगी में एक बहुत बड़े ब्लॉक की तरह खड़े हो जाते हैं। लेकिन आप घबराइए नहीं, क्योंकि ये सारे फियर्स हम दूर कर सकते हैं एज रिग्रेशन के द्वारा। और इस पे बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ स्टूडियो में मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर न्यूटन और डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी। वेलकम टू द प्रोग्राम।
थैंक यू।
डॉक्टर न्यूटन, कई बार देखा गया है कि बचपन में बहुत सारे ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं जिससे बच्चों के मन में कोई डर पैदा हो जाता है, एक तरीके का ब्लॉक क्रिएट हो जाता है। वो हमारी आगे की लाइफ पे कैसे इफेक्ट करता है?
Actually, our childhood memories and childhood life is so important and vital because a child is the very essence of life. Child qualities are the most amazing qualities like spontaneity, creativity, all the intelligence. Everyone is born with that. What happens is when we are growing up in the childhood stage, what will happen is sometimes we get some traumatic situations where elders sometimes they can create some blockages. A child is invalidated. The parents say you are wrong, you are not doing properly, you are always wrong, do this way, and they impose conditions like a mostly punishment reward system. So if you are not doing it well, I will not love you, I will not show you any kind of affection to you. So this kind of conditional love creates a blockage in a child that I am not good enough for this love.
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, चाइल्डहुड ब्लॉक का कोई केस स्टडी, कोई एग्जाम्पल?
Yeah, for example, a child who was in the classroom and he didn't do any mistake. He was just doing his homework, but his neighbor, his friend did some mischief, and the teacher comes and thinks that this student has done something wrong. So then she just shouts in front of the whole class and she makes him to stand up on the bench, and he has to stand up like that till afternoon, like as punishment. So this child feels so bad because he has not done anything wrong, but still the teacher has punished him in front of everyone. So this has really gone into him so much that he felt he is not good enough. He went into such a poor self image, into such a low self esteem, and in the future he had so much of fear within himself, he started stammering whenever he had to express something to others. So जब हमने इन्हें past life regression और age regression में लेके गया, तब the root cause was in the childhood. So इससे हमें ये समझ में आता है कि हम बचपन में इतने सेंसिटिव होते हैं, तो हमें एल्डर्स सरल स्वभाव से या राइट गाइडेंस से हमें गाइड करना चाहिए।
डॉक्टर न्यूटन, एज रिग्रेशन क्या है और एज रिग्रेशन से हम चाइल्डहुड ब्लॉक कैसे दूर कर सकते हैं?
Yes, actually in a age regression session we were going back in time to our childhood memories to trace to those traumatic buried memories. Whenever there is an abuse, it can be verbal abuse, physical abuse or sexual abuse, any kind of abuse, it is a big trauma for a child, a person. So when we go and relive it and we are going to release that trauma, that buried memory, it is going to be released from that subconscious mind, and so that the person understands it's over, why I am carrying this the past memory with me, why I am still feeling that kind of inadequacy, I can release it. This kind of understanding dance into the mind of the person who is going through the age regression process, and it is going to clear many things, because many of the belief systems we develop from the childhood, like beliefs that I am not good enough, I am failure, I am not loved, I am not cared by people, I am powerless, I am a victim, I am helpless, and all these kind of belief systems were generated while we go through the childhood memories. Many of the traumatic memories they generate these kind of belief systems.
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, किसी भी एज से क्या हम अपने चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज पे वापस आ सकते हैं? अगर कोई 60 इयर्स का है, कोई 70 इयर्स का है, और हो सकता है जो चाइल्डहुड में एक फियर क्रिएट हुआ है वो 60-70 इयर्स तक चला गया, तो क्या वो वहाँ से भी रिग्रेस कर सकते हैं अपने
वहाँ से
childhood
भी
में?
हमारे चाइल्डहुड में हम जा सकते हैं और जो कुछ भी चाइल्डहुड ब्लॉक्स है वो ब्लॉक्स से हम बाहर आ सकते हैं।
डॉक्टर न्यूटन, क्या चाइल्डहुड ब्लॉक्स हैं वो हमारे फिजिकल हेल्थ पे भी इफेक्ट करते हैं, साइकोलॉजिकल हेल्थ के साथ?
Definitely, all the childhood memories, they have such a deep impact on our health, on our
Okay.
physical personality
Okay.
and outlook of our life, because it is one and the same. Mind and body are not two different entities, they are one and the same. Whatever is there in the mind, it is reflected in the body.
ओके।
लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल
Okay.
हम बच्चों को देखते हैं कि उन्हें मैथ्स अच्छा नहीं लगता, मैथ्स
right.
क्लास को नहीं जाना है, तो उन्हें वो ये स्टमक पेन या हेडेक्स को मैनिफेस्ट कर लेते हैं।
तो कहीं ना कहीं रिलेशन है माइंड और बॉडी दोनों के बीच में।
Yes.
Yes, and another
Okay.
interesting facet in age regression is connecting to the very happy memories.
Yeah.
It brings us all that lost happiness in us.
ओके
Yeah, that's the most beautiful part of it.
ओके, थैंक यू डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, थैंक यू डॉक्टर न्यूटन। तो आपने देखा कि किस तरीके से हमारा जो चाइल्डहुड है वो हमारी पूरी ज़िंदगी के लिए एक फाउंडेशन के रूप में काम करता है। इसलिए हमेशा हमें ये ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि बचपन में अपने बच्चों के साथ बहुत अच्छा बिहेवियर रखें, बिना बात के उनको डांटे नहीं, और उनकी जो ग्रूमिंग है उसमें पेरेंट्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है और टीचर्स का बहुत बड़ा योगदान है। तो हमें ये हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि कोई भी चाइल्डहुड ब्लॉक उनकी लाइफ में ना आए, और अगर आपको लगता है कि आपका बच्चा किसी भी तरीके के एबनॉर्मल बिहेवियर या चाइल्डहुड ब्लॉक से सफ़र कर रहा है तो एज रिग्रेशन विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू। अभी वक्त है एक ब्रेक का। ब्रेक के बाद डॉक्टर न्यूटन होंगे एक केस स्टडी के साथ, जो कि होगा हमारा पास्ट लाइफ थेरेपी सेशन।
Namaskar. Welcome back, my dear friends. Today with us, Mrs. Dileshwar, who is very much interested about the past life regression, and she is very much willing to go through this past life regression session. I'd like you to close your eyes, Mrs. Dileshwar, and I would like you to just focus on this feeling of sadness that is there in you. I'd like you to connect with that melancholy, that sadness. Which part of the body are you feeling this?
I feel it most in my heart.
In the heart, okay. I'd like you to breathe into that and feel it more, feel it more. Go to the very depths of it, core of that feeling, that sensation, the heart region, how it feels to you. Is it a heavy sensation or a light sensation?
Yes, it's a heaviness.
Heaviness, okay. I would like you to connect more with it, more deep inside that melancholy, that sadness, depths of this sadness. I'd like you to describe more about it. What's the color of this? Look into that, deep inside, the sadness. Feel it, feel with your every breath.
It is like a hopelessness.
Hopelessness. Yes. Are you a man or woman?
Cannot see anything.
Yeah. Trust the feeling, impressions and sensations.
I feel like a woman.
Feel like a woman, yeah.
Yes.
How old are you approximately?
I'm young, but I don't know how old exactly. But
Yes. What kind of clothes are you wearing? Feel
I
your
can't.
clothes.
I can see my clothes.
Yeah. Feel the clothes. Are they heavy clothes or fine clothes? Light clothes?
I think they are heavy clothes.
Heavy clothes, okay. At this moment, I would like you to describe about yourself. Tall or you short?
I'm not able to tell you that.
Yeah, okay. Right this moment, I would like you to feel the surroundings of that place. What's the first impression coming to you about the surroundings?
The impression is it's a comfortable place. It's
Comfortable.
a beautiful place.
Yeah, right. How are you feeling in that moment?
I'm just feeling sad.
Sad, okay, feeling sad. I'd like you to turn the memory backwards to that event that happened. Be willing to connect to that memory which is strong, which is very, very important to you. As I count 5 to 1, be there in that memory of that life where you felt the sadness, where you felt the trauma or the pain in your heart. 5, 4, 3, 2. Trust the impressions that pops out into your mind. 1, be there. Like to feel more. Like to describe now what you're feeling, what's happening.
I can't see anything.
Yeah, what you're feeling.
Yes, but I'm feeling sad. It's as if I'm pining for somebody.
Yeah.
Maybe I am someone who's in love with someone and he's not there.
He's not there for you,
Yes.
feeling left alone.
Yes.
Yeah, I would like to feel it. And you're feeling left, abandoned, rejected?
Maybe rejected.
Maybe
in a way,
rejected, yeah.
Or given a second place
Mm.
compared to something else which was more important,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
a call of duty.
Right, yeah, yes. At this moment, I'd like you to go to the last day of that life, the time when you're dying in that life.
It's as if I had a natural death
Natural death, yeah.
of old age
Yeah,
and a peaceful death.
yes.
There's no trauma in my death.
Right,
What happened before it, I'm not aware of it and I don't
Yes.
feel it.
right.
But it's like a smooth passing from this life to another.
I'd like you to communicate what you felt in that life, with sadness, all that unexpressed feelings. Communicate with that person. Express it. That rejected feelings that you felt, that sadness that you felt, I'd like you to just express it out. Talk to him.
I cannot see anybody,
Yeah,
so I can't communicate.
yeah, you can feel.
I can
and
only feel.
Feel, yeah, you can feel. Yes. As I count now 1 to 3, I would like you to slowly open your eyes. 1, 2, slowly take your own time. 3. When you're ready, you can open your eyes now. Sthileshwar, how are you feeling now?
I'm feeling a little bit energized,
Energized?
a little
Yes?
more positiveness. It's a feeling in my body. I cannot explain it
Mm.
more explicitly,
Right.
but it's just like a feeling. I just
Mm.
feel a little lighter,
Lighter.
maybe able to look at life a little more positively.
Yes.
And as I would always want to laugh a little bit more.
Yeah. Right.
So, because I felt I was losing that ability
Right.
to enjoy life,
Yeah.
even when there was every reason to do it.
Yeah. Okay.
Something was holding me back.
Right.
Something was not making me
Feel the joy of life.
feel the joy of life
Right.
when it was all around me.
Yes.
Because it's very sad, because if
Hmm.
you have everything, there's nothing lacking, and you're still unhappy
Right.
and depressed,
Mm.
and you just, because of no reason, you feel sad.
Right. Yeah. How it feels to you in your body, in your heart.
It's as if happiness, it's like sowing a seed of happiness.
Sowing the seed
So,
of happiness.
I have to continuously, nurture it.
more.
Yes.
Yeah.
So that it blooms into a plant
Wonderful.
and it can spread more happiness. Because it just seems like the beginning. I wouldn't say that it means certainly it's a burst of happiness.
Right.
Thing.
Yeah.
It's
Thank
a
you.
process
Thank
started.
you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Doctor.
Dileshwar. And it's really wonderful to have you here in this session. My dear friends, and it's very wonderful to witness a past life session, how we carry so much of burden, so much of past memories, past emotions, heavy emotions. We feel like a baggage, like heaviness. Though we are surrounded with so much of joy and happiness around, but we can't see that because this sadness, this heavy emotions are so much clouded us, is surrounding us. Now, after developing these deeper insights about the past memories and the past life recalls, then we can let go of them. And thank you very much, and we will meet again after a short break.
Welcome once again again to another segment of Discover Yourself. दोस्तों, मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि हमारे इस प्रोग्राम के दौरान आपको अपने ज़िंदगी के कई सवालों का जवाब मिला होगा और अब आप अपनी ज़िंदगी की और गहराइयों में जाकर कुछ अनसुलझी हुई बातों को सुलझा सकते हैं। इसी पे और बात करने के लिए स्टूडियो में हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं डॉक्टर न्यूटन और डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी। वेलकम टू आवर शो वंस अगेन डॉक्टर न्यूटन, डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी। अभी हमने देखा कि कैसे दिलेश्वर अपनी पास्ट लाइफ में गई। डॉक्टर न्यूटन, आपने क्या बहुत सिग्निफिकेंट बातों को जज किया इस थेरेपी के दौरान?
Dileshwar, even when we started the session, when I asked her about her childhood memories, she said that there is sadness in her. There is a lonely feeling. There's a feeling that something is not right, something is not well in her life. That sadness was there. When I asked her to focus on that sadness with her eyes closed, she said it is a big heavy feeling over her chest region. She felt a lot of uneasiness and heavy feeling. And when she was guided back into her past life, she could go back into a previous life memory where she saw that she was left alone by one male figure, maybe could be her life partner in that life. So she felt abandoned, she felt sad inside, and she could see very easily, she felt a lot of things of that past life. She could relate those memories with the current life.
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, ऐसा होता है क्या कई बार कि जब आप आपकी जो प्रेजेंट लाइफ है उसमें आप काफ़ी दुखी रहते हैं, you're really distressed and you have no reason for that.
Yeah.
That is a very main point, that you are having no reason for being for feeling sad. You're amongst say 10 people who are enjoying, you're in a party and you're enjoying it, but everybody is enjoying it, but you are the one who's still feeling sad.
So in this particular case, she has that sadness since her childhood without any particular reason. So when she connected back to the past lives, she has seen that the husband or the life partner left her on some duty. So she felt that maybe she is the second priority to him, and she felt neglected at that particular moment. So and she felt very sad about this, and she felt neglected, lonely. So when the subject or a client has this particular pattern of loneliness or feeling neglected, even if they are amongst 100 people, even if everyone takes care of them, they still feel that loneliness, they still feel that they are neglected.
डॉक्टर न्यूटन, पर जब दिलेश्वर ने ये बताया कि वो उनका मतलब पास्ट लाइफ में जब उनकी डेथ हुई, she was very calm and at peace and it was a very comfortable death.
Yes.
मुझे थोड़ा सा कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन सा लग रहा है, सिंस इन हर पास्ट लाइफ वो काफ़ी डिस्ट्रेस थी, सैड थी और उन्हें इस बात का गम था कि कोई उन्हें छोड़ के जा रहा है, लेकिन उनकी डेथ बहुत पीसफुल थी.
Yes, because it's not a traumatic death like an accident or a natural death. It's like a death of an old age. Though there was sadness, but she was ready to leave the body very easily. There was no much struggle of dying process. There's no kind of traumatic memory of that death. That's why she felt easy.
It was a peaceful death, but still she had that thought in her mind that she was left behind by her husband, which she carried on to this present life.
डॉक्टर न्यूटन, जब उनके वापस आई वो present life में, so there was lot of heaviness in her head.
Yes.
What is the reason for that?
Generally, after this session, we feel a lot of times the heaviness in the head, even in certain body parts, and it's like a lot of cosmic energy we absorb during the guided meditation into past lives. So that cosmic energy that's stepping into the system will be redistributed into the body parts later. So generally after a few minutes this heaviness will just fade away.
तो दोस्तों, दिलेश्वर के एग्जाम्पल से आप इस बात का ज़रूर ध्यान रखिएगा कि अगर कभी बिना बात के आप बहुत ही दुखी हों या गुस्सा हों तो आपके जो आसपास के लोग हैं उन पे गुस्सा मत उतारिए, बल्कि पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन में जाइए और अपने आप को, अपनी फीलिंग्स को जज करने की कोशिश करिए. Dr. Newton, we have many of our enthusiastic viewers who want to ask you some questions. देखते हैं हमारे viewers क्या question पूछना चाहते हैं.
सर, मेरा नाम समर्थ है और मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने ऐसा सुना है कि सब कहते हैं कि अगर 4 साल तक बच्चे को नमक नहीं दिया जाए तो उसे अपने पिछले जन्म की बातें याद रहती हैं, क्योंकि जब तक वो बच्चा बोलता नहीं है तब तक उसे सब कुछ याद रहता है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे वो बोलना सीखता है ऐसे ऐसे वो अपनी याददाश्त भूलता जाता है पिछले जन्म की। तो मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, अगर किसी बच्चे को 4 साल तक और 5 साल तक नमक नहीं दिया जा सकता जब तक वो बोलता नहीं है, तो क्या उसे ये संभव है कि क्या उसे अपने पुनर्जन्म की बातें याद रहेंगी?
डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी,
Yeah.
ऐसा होता है कि 4 साल तक अगर बच्चे को नमक नहीं खिलाया जाए तो उसको अपनी पिछली लाइफ याद रहेगी?
Maybe it's just a belief system that, you know, if you don't give salt to the child, then they remember. But in general, all children, they remember their past lives till the age of 3.
It's unscientific, you know, this when we don't eat salt before 4 years, remembering past, it's unscientific.
It has no
It's
connection
no
with the salt.
connection.
Yeah. But all children, they remember their past lives. They have all those memories till, you know, 3-4 years old. That's why when you see a child playing games, it gets reflected, you know, the past life tendencies and all those things gets reflected in the child's play or games. Some children, they want to play like, you know, king or warriors. Some children, they want to play like teachers.
Okay.
So if you just observe the children, you can really notice some tendencies from the past lives. But after 3 to 4 years, they start interacting with the world and they slowly lose that, you know.
चलिए हम अपना दूसरा क्वेश्चन देखते हैं।
मैं मुकेश माथुर अपने बारे में, अपने पूर्व जन्म के बारे में आपसे कुछ जानकारी जानना चाहता हूँ। मुझे कृपया बताएं आप मेरी किस प्रकार से इस क्षेत्र के अंदर मदद कर सकते हैं।
Dr. Newton,
Yes.
question is that, so how you can basically help people?
So basically every problem is a challenge. It's not really a big problem. We are much bigger than the problems. We can really solve every problem, every issue that we have. They are really challenges. As a soul, we set these challenges, you know, we want to overcome them. That's why everyone has got the same capacity, same potentiality to resolve every issue, every problem they have. So meditation is one of the best ways. When we journey into our own inner self, we tap into our untapped potential that we have.
Okay.
And we connect with so many missing pieces of puzzle, you know, why we have got this problem, why I feel victim in this life, why I'm suffering in this life. This why, this question why can open the doorways for the answers. We tap into that deep mysteries of our own life.
तो दोस्तों, जैसे डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि अगर लाइफ में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो या अगर आपको कुछ भी ऐसा लगता है कि ये आपके साथ क्यों हो रहा है, तो उसके लिए मेडिटेशन करिए, ध्यान लगाइए और शायद आपको अपने कई सवालों का जवाब मिल जाएगा। थैंक यू डॉक्टर न्यूटन, थैंक यू डॉक्टर लक्ष्मी, थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग विद अस। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारे कई दोस्तों को भी अपने सवालों का जवाब मिला होगा। रेने डिकार्ड्स ने कहा था, आई थिंक देयरफॉर आई एम। उन्होंने तो अपनी एग्जिस्टेंस को अपनी थॉट से रिलेट करके काफ़ी सही तरीके से प्रूव किया, लेकिन आप लोग अपनी एग्जिस्टेंस, अपनी लाइफ के बारे में कितना श्योर हैं, ये सब जानने के लिए आप जुड़े रहिए हमारे साथ एंड कीप डिस्कवरिंग योरसेल्फ।